and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. It's great to have you here. Today we are going to go through and open a box that I subscribe to. It's called Chic Beauty Box. This is my first month. I subscribe to it bi-monthly so that my credit card doesn't get hit every month. You are guaranteed 5 to 6 full-size products. I'm reading from my notes, sorry. And this is makeup only. No skincare, no nothing except for makeup and full-size products. The trial, which is what I did, was $39.99. And then the bi-monthly is $34.99. So I tried, this is my trial box, and now I'm gonna be doing the bi-monthly. So you'll get to see this one more often on my channel. All you have to do is subscribe and then you'll see it again. So the bi-monthly is $34.99. The annual is $189.99. So you do get a savings prepaying annually. There's always a retail worth of at least $100. The catch to this box is shipping is not free. More times than not, shipping is free on a lot of these subscription boxes, but this shipping is $7.95. So this box ends up coming out to around $45 if you do it a month. The one big important thing to note on this box is you get to customize your entire box. They give you a variety of choices online. You go through and you select which one you want. Sometimes items become sold out, and I did encounter that. There was an item that I did want, NARS lipstick, and it ended up being sold out. So I think instead I got a NARS makeup brush. They're all great products. It's just what is best for you. So being able to customize is a great asset. So let's get into it. It's so little, I feel like there's not much in here, but I'm sure there is. Now I haven't peeked, I haven't looked. When I open it up, this is what I see. Bubble wrap, which is really important. And then here is the card that speaks to what's all in here and their values. That's important to me. Hi there again. You're gonna notice that I don't look anything like I did just a second ago. That is because I lost footage. I don't know what happened to it, but it just disappeared. So, and I wanted to finish our unboxing of Chic Beauty Box. I know I looked and I was just about to pull the pieces out of the box. So let's get rid of the squiggles. Okay. See, we've got some blush, we've got a spray, we've got some lipstick. Well, I'll show it all to you. All right. So to start with is the Tarte lipstick. They call this Pink Lemonade. I'm gonna swatch this for you, and I want comments below to tell me what you think of when you hear of Pink Lemonade. And tell me if this is the color you think of. To me, that looks like a light peach color and not necessarily lemonade. It's a pretty color. I like the color, it's very nice. It's just not what I think of when I hear of Pink Lemonade. I think of pink. All right, next I pulled out of the box was this beautiful handmade NARS makeup brush. Now, I only own one other NARS brush, and that is because of their price. This one has a retail value of $58. I generally don't spend that much on just one makeup brush, but this is glorious. It feels wonderful on the skin, and it's the texture. You can just tell that it's a handmade brush. Okay, and then next we have a Kat Von D Dual Blush. Shade and light two-tone blush. Define your cheeks through the art of color. I'll pull it out so you can see what it looks like. I think this is gonna go in a giveaway box. They're just not my colors. They're very light, very pale. And I think on somebody very fair or with darker skin, I think you would look really quite beautiful. But nice to have a Kat Von D blush in a giveaway box. All right. And then next we have a Revlon Photo Ready Prep, Set, and Refresh. I appreciate refresh sprays. I like to use setting sprays, and I use them all in the same way. But the Revlon one I've never tried. And let's see how the spray is. Some of the sprays are too direct. I like a mist. And that's exactly what this is. I have one from Unique Beauty Products, and when I spray it, I feel like I'm getting pelted, where this is a nice spray. Now, for the last item, this will definitely be going into a giveaway box. And when you see the color, you might understand. If you're a little younger, you'll appreciate these colors. I don't. I'm being very straight, honest, forward about it. These are not my colors at all. This is Almay. I like Almay products. I have several of them, but not mint green. I don't think I've put mint green on my eyes since the 80s. And I don't know if you can tell, there are different shades of green in it, which if I was a little younger, I might play with it. I'm 51. I'm done playing with makeup. I like to put on makeup and I guess consider it playing, but trying and experimenting with a few new colors, but definitely not this color. I find a little humor in it. But I'm always appreciative of everything I get in the boxes, because if it doesn't work out for me, I always pass it along either in a giveaway or to a woman's shelter. Well, that was Chic Beauty Box. It is a quarterly subscription, and I love the pink boxes. But thanks for hanging out with me and taking a look at these products. You take care.